Hey, how's it everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you a cheap method to use Reddit for market research or finding customer pain points. Now, we're going to use Google Search Operator to find Reddit threads and then use Claude Code to extract all the data that we need. I'm going to drop all the resources in the description below this video so you can try this out for yourselves. So in Google, so you're going to take, I'm going to paste the Google search operator in here. And for this video, we're using Canva as an example. So again, like I said, I'll put this prompt or search operator into the description below. So we're going to run this. And then that's going to show us all the index threads in Google. So let's go to tools and then filter the ones from the past month. And then you've got a bunch of them all down here. So heaps and heaps of pages. From there, you're going to just open all of these tabs. So you're going to open that one, and that one. Just for this example, and then I'm going to show you a neat little trick to turn these pages into JSON data, just so the Claude Code can read it a bit easier and give us the output that we want. Here's the first thread that we opened, and so to give Claude Code a format that it's going to find a bit easier to go through, instead of just copying and pasting it like we see over here, what we're going to do is a cool little trick for Reddit. You can turn any of the Reddit threads that you find into a JSON format. So just the end of the URL, just type in .json, and that's going to switch that into a format that's a lot easier for Claude Code to get through. And just going to do that for each of the ones that we open. So .json, and then that'll do the same. And then the last one here, .json, and you're going to see the same output. So you're going to copy all of this over, and I've already got it open in a notepad. So if I go over here, just open up the notepad. So over here, you can see it's already there from a previous example. So you can see all this structured JSON data. Save this file wherever you want, wherever's handy. So save that. And now we've got a TXT file that we're going to send over into Claude so that it can run through that. Inside of Claude, what you're going to do is, you can see I've already run this previously, but just to walk you through that, the TXT file here has been uploaded. So just come down and you'll just add it from wherever you saved it, add them, and then you're going to run this prompt. So read through this TXT file and find me the most common pain points across these discussions. Present me the data in a structured way, scoring the most common ones first, and then run that off. And it's going to run you through its thinking and show you a bit about how it reasoned and what it found, and then score it in a table like this. So, and this is pretty awesome. So you've got it ranked 1 all the way through to 12. It's even come with secondary pain points over here, but these are the most common ones, and it's actually gone to the effort and weighted it by the upvotes and the amount of commenters that pulled out the same issues. So for the Canva example, we had no drop shadows / outlines on shapes, can't draw full custom shapes. So that's a pretty common one. Yeah, the team at Canva might want to investigate something like that. Number 2, file, folder, asset, organization, 86 upvotes for comments that were negative about that, and a total of 9 commenters. So that's just off a single prompt. It scored it in that way, super logical, and that's super actionable, for product teams, whether you want to feature these rollouts in your product updates, in your roadmap. You might also be doing this for competitor research to see where your competitors are falling short, and see if you can improve on that in the next iteration of your products. And that's it. So like I said, I'm going to put all the prompts and everything that you've seen in this video in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment if I didn't cover anything. or if you want me to show you a different way to do this using API like scrape creators and N8N, so you can automate this and have it land weekly in your Slack or your email, yeah, just comment below and I'll catch you in the next one.